Welcome back. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has hinted at the formation of regional parties if opposition continues to remain dormant. He was a participant at the Break Hour, a debate program of Prudent. Porvory MLA Rohan Kaunte, Sange MLA Subhash Faldesai and senior journalist Prakash Kamath had also participated in the debate. Here's a report.
की अपोजिशन डॉमिनंट असू जाय आशिल्लें. जर लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन जर इंटरव्यून जातालो आनी जर वातावरण जर एग्रेसिव करूं शकतालो आपल्या आमदारांक घेवन जाल्यार तितलो स्पीकर हो चीफ मिनिस्टर इतलो डॉमिनंट दिसचोच नाशिल्लो. ते कॉन्टेक्स्टांतल्यान ते दिसता.
प्रकाश अशे तरेचे बी दिसले की अपोजिशन लीडर अजून चीफ मिनिस्टरशिपांतल्यान भायर सरलो ना आनी चीफ मिनिस्टर अजून अपोजिशन लिडरशिपींतल्यान भायर सरलो ना. पर्रीकार म्हणटा आपूण दिल्लीचे आयकुपाचो ना. आमी म्हणटा आमकां दिल्लीचे आयकुपी नाका म्हणून. जाल्यार मागीर दिल्लीच्यो पार्टी कित्याक जाय आमकां? गोंयांतूच सोल्युशन सोदपाचें आमी. आय फील दॅट दीस असेंब्ली हॅज गिवन आउट वन थिंग दॅट आवर प्रॉब्लम्स शुड बी सॉल्व्ड हियर. We don't need to go to them.
So basically you are thinking of floating a regional party.
I think the people by and large if they accept we have to think about that. तुमका BJP ruling asthana you need a good opposition party.
Of course we were looking for a good opposition because it is in the interest
of I'm linking it to the regional party.
No, whatever Vijay is saying Vijayan's role घेतिला सा it is in the interest of Goa. If opposition party fails to bring out the failure of the government की आम्ही म्हणतात की कोण टिकाकाराचे घर असावे शेजारी निंदकाचे घर असावे शेजारी कोणीतरी आसपाक जाय. इट इज नॉट दॅट बीजेपी विल ऑलवेज परफॉर्म कोण तरी खंय चुकता फायनली आमी हे आसात हे आसपाक जाय. बट काँग्रेस हॅज लिटरली फेल्ड इन असो फ्लोर मॅनेजमेंट करपा खातीर जावं ऑपोजिशन करपा खातीर.
ऑपोजिशन जर स्ट्रॉंग आहा ऑपोजिशन जर युनायटेड आसा जाल्यार ते उलयतना ताजेर कळटा न्ही.
बरोबर.
ऑपोजिशनान आमचे परस कितले बरे वक्ते आहा पूण उलयतना थंय सांगतात ते की आमी चीफ मिनिस्टराक मानतात तो बरो मनीस ताजी इंटेन्शनां बरी आहा जावन तुजो आमी हें सांगतात म्हणटात. स्पेशल स्टेटस म्हणटा येदो व्हडलो इश्यू केला.
मिक्सिंग फिक्सिंग चल्ला
अशें दिसपा लागलें.
फ्लोर मॅनेजमेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर बरो करता म्हणटा पळय ते आय एम नॉट एग्रींग. हे फ्लोर फिक्सिंग चालू आहा.
Let us look at what the Goa needs, what the mandate has been given for a new government. Let the government be delivering these new promises. आता कितें जाल्लें कसलेय प्रश्न विचारले फाटल्या सरकारार ब्लेम जाताले. 6 म्हयन्यान जावचें ना. So 6 म्हयन्यान it will be this government supposed to reply answers to our questions which will be related to this government.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Finally, the Comunidad staff called off their pen-down strike on Thursday, thanks to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He had informed the House on Wednesday that 50 lakh rupees have been sanctioned towards their salaries. The Comunidad staff will now hold a meeting with the CM on 14th to settle their other pending demands.
कोमनीदादीच्या सॅलरीचो प्रश्न आम्ही सोडवला तो ऑलरेडी 50 लाख हांवें प्रोविजन दिला आता येतले सप्टेंबरचे. पण तो सुद्धा प्रश्न ताजोच आहा रेव्हेन्यूचोच. हे लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाचे प्रश्न नाही.
The Comunidad staff called off their pen-down strike on Thursday. They were protesting against the inordinate delay to pay of their salaries. Salaries were pending for the past 5 months. They had begun their strike from 3rd August at Margaon. The issue was also raised in the assembly by Vijay Sardesai. Former Fatorda MLA Damu Naik met the agitated staff of the Comunidad on Thursday.
तांची मिटींग तांकां जाय कन्वे करपाक विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. ती तांची हांव अपॉइंटमेंट तांकां घेतला आनी ऑन 14th तांची मिटींग जातली आनी त्या दीस कितें चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर कसो मार्क काडपाचो तो काडटलो. आफ्टर ऑल गव्हर्मेंट हें काडटलो न्ही मार्क काडटलो. सॅलरी जाली तांची जाले तांकां सप्लिमेंटरी डिमांडाक 50 लाख रुपये दवरल्यात मरे. सॅलरीचे कंपोनंट आसा तो तांकां येतलो.
The staff of the Comunidad, however, are still waiting a permanent solution.
हे बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट हे जाले 5 म्हयने येयले आहा आनी आमकां पयलीं 2016 सान आमी हो स्टाफ लागलो आमगेलो मदें तेन्ना आमी ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी 2-3 म्हयने दिवपाक आमकां ते एश्युरन्स दिले त्या प्रमाणे 3 म्हयने आमी दिवपाक कांय वेळ वचना. ताका लागून आमी तेका हें केलें आसा. 3 म्हयने तें जालें ना जाल्यार मागीर आमी ठरयतले कितें करपाक तें.
A reporter from Margaon, Sameer Bhatt.
On Thursday, the 9th of August, Department of Arts and Culture celebrated Librarians' Day with much fanfare. But the librarians across the state aren't really in a celebrating mood. These libraries are facing resource, financial and infrastructure crunch. Librarians too haven't seen a pay hike for over a half decade. Watch the second and concluding part of our special report on the state-run rural libraries. On the eve of Dr. Shiali Ramarita Ranganathan's birthday, Art and Culture Department celebrated Librarians' Day. While the MLAs and the ministers could get their salaries and allowances hiked by almost 100% without a single query being raised at the legislature level, it isn't so easy going for the librarians across the state. The state-run libraries employing a librarian and an attendant are surviving just with a meager annual salary grant of 60,000 rupees.
जानेवारी 2014 लागिले तेन्सान आतां अजून पर्यंत म्हाका पगार 3,500च मेळटा एटेंडंटाक 1,500 मेळटा आमी कितलें हांगा मिटींग जातना उलोवन पळयलें पण ते हे करनात संस्थे तांकां सांगलें ते म्हणटात आर्ट एंड कल्चरान हें करपाचें म्हणटात.
Government project of Sanskriti Bhavan and Krishnadas Sharma State Central Library at Pato Panji has cost government nearly 32 crores. This project is considered to be a state-of-art project. Government spends nearly 10 lakh rupees per month on the maintenance and other expenditure like purchasing of books, newspapers, magazines, water, electricity bills and other miscellaneous expenditure. While a village library gets a petty annual grant of 60,000 for purchasing books, newspapers, magazines and for paying water and electricity bills and other expenditure. Government spends 3 lakhs per month on the district libraries and 1 lakh on a taluka library. The central library has a staff strength of nearly 60 working in 4 shifts. District libraries have 12 employees while the taluka libraries have a staff strength of 4.
सेंट्रल लायब्ररी महिन्याक आमी सुमार 10 लाख खर्च जाता आमचा तशेंच डिस्ट्रिक्ट लायब्ररी सुमार 3 लाख आणि एक तालुका लायब्ररी सुमार 1 लाख खर्च जाता आमकां म्हयन्याक. विलेज लायब्ररीची आमची स्कीम अशी आसा सॅलरी पार्ट आमी 60,000 दितात आनीक मेंटेनन्स म्हणून आमी 60,000 दितात. तातूंत मेंटेनन्सान बुकां येयली न्यूजपेपर येयले मॅगझीन येयले रेंट येयलें अशी एक गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम आसा.
There are 145 village libraries across the state run either by the Gram Panchayat, NGOs or municipal councils. But unfortunately, neither the staff nor the readers enjoy the fate of a luxurious central library. Reporter Mahesh Kadi and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.